Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to draw Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta and Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta. It may look complicated, but I know you can do it. So let's go guys. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create new layer for the rough sketch. Start with a circle for the head, then continue with the face. Since we only want to create the face, you can add the details now. Remember to create a good proportion of the face. When the base face is done, you can copy-paste the layer. Then, flip it horizontal. Rotate it a little bit to make a different position. Change the mouth expression and add another details for the Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. Now the sketch is perfect. Time to create the outline. First, turn down the opacity of sketch layer to 40%. Then, add new layer for the outline. You can start from anywhere you like. Remember to check the details in this phase. You can copy-paste the base face to make you faster at working. When the sketch is done, merge every outline layer as one. Then, set the outline layer as reference. See the image above for example. Now, add new layers for the mid-tone colors. Remember to create one layer for one color only. See the image above as an example. You can drop the mid-tone color in these new layers. After that, turn off the reference feature on the outline layer. Then, create new layer above every mid-tone color and set them as clipping mask. See the image above as an example. Now pick the darker color to make the shadow tone. Repeat this step for more darker color layer, so that you have 3 tone of colors. Now we will add the effect of this too gorgeous Saiyan. Add new layer above every available layers, then drop the light purple on the right, and drop the light orange on the left side. Then, change the blending mode to overlay, and set it to 30%. The light effect is easy too. Add new layer above every layers. Then, use hard brush to create the radiance of light. The key is to use motion blur feature, then set the blending mode to add. Use glimmer brush to create the glittering effect. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.